I got it right there. Hello? Yes, I'd like to order 725,000 units, please. I'm buying tapioca. Hello, OJA Law Firm and Associates? Yes, I have a pressing legal question that I want to ask you, and I need your input. Betty or Veronica?
To talk to our admin team, please press the pound key.
Help!
My staff away, cancel my calls, hold my meetings, and draw goofy mustaches in all the executive pictures. And fire employee of the month, he's too productive. Singing telegram from Miss Agatha Mackenzie. Is this who I'm speaking to? Good. Are you ready for the message? Good. Over my dead body.
Order me a suit made of polyester. Hello? Hello, did you hear the news? What news? Humans are disappearing at random.
That's cool.
Are you still there?
Mr. Buttons.
Yes, I can a little. Like right now? Like right now? You're on the phone? Oh, okay. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it.
No, it slipped. Restart. No, we have to restart.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir. No, sir. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Goodbye, sir. I don't know who that was. 9 1 What? How are you doing? Could you come remove the body?
Numbers. You seem like a forward-thinking kind of gentleman. How'd you like to buy the Statue of Liberty? You seem like the kind of man who changes with the times. How would you like to buy the Empire State Building? You're a forward-thinking kind of lady. How'd you like to buy the Statue of Liberty in Vegas? Toby and Toby, a parent's home welfare. Well, how would you like to buy the White House? Hey, extremely old lady, would you like Mount Rushmore? How'd you like to buy the mighty Mississippi River? How would you like to buy out Microsoft? You ever thought about purchasing a country? How'd you like to buy Vatican City? That counts. Would you have at least been interested in buying Boeing, or what's left of it at least? Look, let's just say for a second that it's possible to buy an entire religion. How would you like Hare Krishna?
Beep boop 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 boop. Begin. The less you know, the better.
This is the operator. Would you kindly deposit 25 cents for the first 3 minutes, sir?
Where did my coin go? They are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it. And I'll know you. Hello? Hello, operator, give me the White House. Hello, White House. I found this big ICBM sticking out of my front lawn. I have some questions. You may no, goodbye. Oh, yeah. Purple Falcon. This is Green Sparrow. Listen closely. London Bridge is falling down. Falling down. Falling down. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? Falling down. Ding dong, the witch is dead. The Muffin Man. Falling down. And a partridge in a pear tree. Yes. Thanks, Purple Falcon. I don't know who that was.
Is this Canadian Tire?
No, this is Patrick.
Hello, I got an email from the CRA saying to call this number or else I'd get arrested. So I'm calling the number. Is this the CRA? Okay. My social insurance number is go.
Aha, yes, it's going up. Yes, it's going up. Sounds great. Sounds great. It's going up. Yes, 30, 50 points. Aha, yes, exactly. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yes, it's stocks, bonds, stocks and bonds, and don't forget those ETFs and those NFTs and those bitcoins and those other coins. Yes, the typhoon. I heard. Good for us, bad for them. It's debatable, defundable. Oh, yes, consolidated, aggregated agriculture, yes, you're gonna see a good return this 7th quarter, yes, the oil is sinking, yes, good to know. $5 a share, and I share with everyone in my company. Hold on! Stop! Sell everything I own! Yes, all my property, everything. The liquid asset, solid asset, stocks, bonds, pyramid schemes, yes, everything must go. Sell it all! And reinvest all the returns into hummus. It's gonna be big!
So my parents got me this rotary phone as a birthday present this year. I like classic tech, and they thought that this would just be a nice addition for my wall. I really like it. It means I can just pick it up. Dial's very satisfying, and I can say stuff like this. Launch the missiles on my command. Anytime I feel like it. It's too bad it doesn't work, but it's still a really good novelty.
Hello?
Hey, Richard!